Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to trim and cut video in Techsmith Camtasia, one of the most popular and efficient screen capture and video editing solutions available to YouTubers, teachers, and instructors. To kick things off, I've added a simple video with audio to my timeline. Let's trim the start of the video. First, move the time marker to where you want the video to start. Then simply click the start of the video and drag it towards the time marker. The clip will snap to it. Should you want to disable snapping to the time marker as you edit, simply hold Ctrl or Command on Mac as you drag. Now move the video back to the start by dragging it from the center. There's an even quicker way to achieve the same result by using ripple trimming. Move the time marker back to the beginning. Now hold Shift and drag from the start of the video to the right. As you can see, this pulls to the left everything on the same video track whilst retaining its start position on the timeline. This technique shaves off much time when editing long clips. Now say we want to remove this part of the video with no audio. To cut clips, drag the time marker to where you wish to cut and select the split tool up here. For quicker results, you can also press the S key. Now remember, you can simply hold Shift and drag your new cut to the right. As you can see, this pulls the remaining video and audio to the left, closing the empty space with ease. Lastly, if you need to delete a clip, just select the clip and press delete on your keyboard. But again, if you want to streamline this process using ripple delete, hold Ctrl while pressing the delete key and everything will move to the left. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.